Recently, Google announced People Card. What is People Card? Well, People Card is very, very simple. It's literally you can add yourself to Google, right? On what you see over here is I just added myself to Google. Okay, so when you search my name, you get all these details: my name, what do I do, my occupation, where am I from, a small little bio about myself, where do I work, my education, and my one click mobile. You can reach me via message, email, my Instagram, my Twitter, and there are many more other social media accounts that you can use. So literally, you this is your virtual, absolutely free of cost business card, and it is so cool, and it's by Google, so everyone uses it. You don't need an app, you don't need anything, you can just search it. So next time someone says that, hey, can I get your contact details, I was like, yeah, just search my name on Google and you can get all the details about me. How cool is that? So this was called People Card, and I will show you how you can add your personal details, your personal, how you can create your personal People Card on Google. Before I go ahead, please like and subscribe to our channel so that we are motivated and we can keep creating such great content for you every time. So this is how you will create your own personal card on Google. To add your own personal People Card on Google, all you need to do is just open google.com on your phone. All right, it can be any smartphone, okay, of your choice. Just open google.com on your phone, and all you have to do is go on the search bar and type, and just simply type add me to search. So I'll go here and say add me to search. Okay, once you do that, Google will give you an option over here to add yourself to search. All right, and it will ask you to put every details. For example, I'll just click on edit of mine, and as you can see, it will give you an option like this right from profile pic. So it will ask you, it will give you an option to add your profile pic, your name, your location, about yourself, so small little bio, your occupation, what you do, and where you work. Okay, so you can add where you work, you can add multiple places, you can add your education, you can add your website if you want to, you can add your mobile number. Now let's say that you don't wish to give your phone number, no problem, just remove it, as simple as that. You can remove it, and if you wish to add again, just click over here and add again over here. So yeah, it's as simple as that. And yeah, for now I'm going to remove it myself. You can add your social media links over here as well. So I've added my Instagram, Twitter. It will allow you to add Facebook, LinkedIn, Pinterest, SoundCloud, YouTube, so many more. So you can add all of them over here. You can mention your hometown, your mobile number, and then you can preview it, and it will show you how it looks. If you're happy with it, go ahead and save it. So this is how you create your own search card, and this is how your search card will look. So it's really cool. Go ahead, create it, and add it to the comment section below. I would love to see it. Thank you so much. See ya.